Hello, this is question 4 on your AS level June 2022 paper from Edexcel, the mechanics paper, and it's quite a quick question if you know what you're doing. So you have a vertical row PQ, is this one, and is attached to the top of a small lift cage. The lift cage has a mass of 40 kilograms and carries a block of mass 10 kilograms, which is this one. The lift cage is raised vertically up, just pulling the string with an acceleration 0.2 meters per second squared. The rope is modeled as being light and inextensible, and a resistance is ignored. Using the model, find a tension in the rope PQ. So the forces, I have a tension here, and I have the weight of the block, which is going to be 10G, and the weight of the cage, which is going to be 40G. Yeah. If we want to find the tension, we can work with all together. Remember, every time we have connected particles, we can work with them separately or together. So the whole thing is 50 kilograms and is moving up, pulled by this tension with this acceleration. So we can write an equation for the whole thing, which is going to be, is going up, so the tension will be larger, and then minus 50G all in total is pulling it down. It's going to be the mass, which is 50 times acceleration 0.2, and from here the tension is 500 newtons. Yeah, so this is the first thing. Then for B, they say find the magnitude of the force exerted on the block by the lift cage. So for B, we have to separate because we need the force exerted on the block by the lift cage. So we can separate the block. This is my block, and the weight of the block was 10G. And they are asking us the normal reaction from the lift on the cage, on the block. So I'm going to call it R. That's what they're asking. And I know you tend to say normal reaction is the weight, but it's not the case when the things are accelerating. Yeah, so I have an acceleration here. That's what changed my numbers. So the equation for the block is going to be R, because it's moving up, minus 10G moving down, is the mass of the block, which is 10 times acceleration. And from here, R is going to be 100 newtons, and it's up. Yeah, and that's why with this question is really quick question. Please be careful with this, because if there is an acceleration, this is not definitely, it's different than the weight. Just think on yourself in a lift. When you go in one of those lifts that accelerate very quickly, and you feel yourself going towards the floor of the lift when you are going up, or just kind of elevating yourself or levitating when you are going down. Yeah, it's the normal reaction is not going to be the weight, and you see perfectly here. Yeah, and that's all.